In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Gemini chat history. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect when you clear your conversations from your Google account. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type this URL exactly as you see it: https:/myactivity.google.com product Gemini. This page is part of Google's My Activity dashboard, and it's dedicated to activity from Gemini, so you're in the right place to manage and delete your chat history. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Make sure you use the same Google account you use with Gemini. If you manage multiple accounts, glance at the profile photo in the top right corner to confirm you're in the correct one. If it's not the right account, switch to the one associated with your Gemini chats before proceeding. Once you're on the Gemini activity page, look toward the top of the screen for the Delete option. It usually sits near the search bar and filters. Click Delete to open the deletion options. This brings up a simple menu where you can choose how much history to remove. Next, choose your time range. If you want a complete reset, select All Time. This removes all recorded Gemini conversations stored in your Google account. If you only need to clear recent chats, you can pick a shorter window like last hour or last day, or use a custom range to target a specific period. Take a moment to decide what best fits your needs before you continue. After selecting the time range, you'll see a confirmation screen. Review the details to make sure everything looks right. When you're ready, confirm the deletion. This action permanently removes your Gemini conversation history from your Google account. Keep in mind that deleted history can't be undone, so double-check you've chosen the correct account and time range. When the process completes, you may see a brief confirmation message. If your page doesn't update right away, refresh to see the latest status. Deletion applies to your account as a whole, so it covers chats across devices linked to that account. You can continue using Gemini as usual. New conversations will appear in your activity going forward unless you delete them again later. That's it. Open the Gemini activity page, sign in with the right account, click Delete, choose your time range, ideally, all time for a full wipe, and confirm. You've successfully cleared your Gemini chat history.